In this video, you'll learn how to manage users in Base44. This process will guide you through adding and inviting collaborators to your projects efficiently. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your project's collaboration capabilities. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the application. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection for optimal performance. After the main page appears, locate the section labeled Recent Apps. This section typically displays your most recently accessed projects. You may need to scroll down slightly to find it. Click on the Recent Apps area to view the list of your projects. This step is crucial for accessing the project you want to manage. Next, select the specific project you wish to manage. Click on the project name to open its detailed view. Once the project interface loads, you will see various options related to project management. This view is essential as it contains the tools needed for user management. Now, look for the option labeled Invite Collaborations. This button is usually located in the project management toolbar. Clicking this will open a new window where you can manage your collaborators. After clicking, wait for the new interface to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Once the collaboration window appears, find the option labeled Invite Collaborators. Clicking this will allow you to input the email addresses of the users you wish to invite. Ensure that you have the correct email addresses ready, as this is how invitations will be sent. In the designated text field, type the email address of the member you want to add. Be sure to check for any typos to avoid sending invitations to the wrong addresses. After entering the email, take a moment to verify that it is correct before proceeding. Next, click on the button labeled Add. This action sends an invitation to the specified email address. You should see a brief confirmation message indicating that the invitation has been successfully sent. Keep in mind that users may need to check their spam folders if they do not see the invitation in their inbox. Now, to view all members currently in the project, click on App Collaborators. This section will display a list of all users who have access to the project. It is important to regularly check this list to manage your team effectively and ensure that all necessary members have been added. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next